forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, normally when you get northwest flow out of Canada and it gets a little cooler and a little less humid, you have this beautifully deep blue sky. Now, but if you go outside this evening, you're going to notice the sky is very pale, very hazy, very smoky looking. What this paleness is you're seeing here is actually smoke way up in the atmosphere from fires in parts of central and northern Canada. We've got major wildfires going on in Manitoba, Alberta right now, the Yukon, Northwest Territories, where temperatures have been at record high levels, as a matter of fact. In fact, near the Arctic Circle a couple days ago, way up here, it was 70 degrees, and we had a record warm, low temperature at Fairbanks, Alaska a couple days ago. It only dropped down to 63, and the average high in Fairbanks is right around 67. So it's unusually warm. All the fires are right here, and the jet is coming in from the northwest today, bringing in that cooler air. So what that means is some of this smoke is getting into the jet and moving southeastward into our viewing area, and that's why we have this kind of pale, smoky atmosphere today. But notice we have a weak shortwave. We talked about this yesterday. It's swinging through the Great Lakes. So there's just a few little showers and thunder showers right along it right here. This will swing through Indiana this evening, may bubble up the clouds a little bit, and it may pop just an isolated little shower up here in our far northeastern counties. We're talking up towards Rochester, maybe Peru, and that would be just about it. Right up in this area right here. Otherwise, we'll be in fine shape. Now, there's actually a third little short wave that'll pivot through the Great Lakes tomorrow. The only thing that's going to do for us, it may pop an isolated shower or thunder shower tomorrow afternoon and allow the clouds to bubble up. Also, notice this magenta color, or purple color. Those are excessive heat watches. This is a sign of what's to come next week. Major, major heat wave headed for the Midwest and South once again. But boy, today feels decent outside. Temperatures running low to mid-80s, even 80 at Rochester, 83 in Lafayette. And boy, tonight is looking really nice. A good night to go to the drive-in. There's a drive-in up at Monticello. And I was talking to one of our engineers. That'd be a good thing to do this weekend because it's going to be comfortable tonight and it's going to be comfortable tomorrow night as well. So upper 50s here, Winnemac and Rochester, all the way down towards Monticello, 58 at Peru, 60 here in Lafayette, 60 down towards Frankfort, about 61 at Crawfordsville, Wingate, and New Richmond. Highs tomorrow, still not bad. Clouds bubbling up a little bit, nothing more than a very isolated shower or thunder shower. 84 Rochester, 86 Lafayette, 87 in Attica. And you'll notice tonight we're in pretty good shape. There could be a few patches of fog. For tomorrow, that third weak little short wave will pivot in. Notice right there, a thunder shower or two. Most of you will stay dry, though, with highs running, again, mid to upper 80s. Tonight, mostly clear, nothing more than a few fog patches. Maybe an isolated shower in the northeast, down to 60. Tomorrow, 86 for the high, clouds bubbling up. Still not too humid as well, but then, boy, does it get humid and hot by next week. Overnight lows, upper 70s to right around 80, highs in the mid-90s, and we're going to be on the periphery of a lot of clusters of storms.